satisfying. Thank you very much. Professor Salim, thank you for your lecture, especially on the biocomposites and the use of plant materials. Now, I will invite Professor Akheel Ahmad for his lecture. Dr. Akheel Ahmad is a professor at the University of Mysore, Karnataka. He is having 37 years of postgraduate teaching and administrative experience at the university level in India and abroad. His research interests are in the areas of biochemistry and biotechnology, environmental science, polymer science, and technology. He has been a recipient of several national and international awards, fellowships, and membership. He has authored several papers and books in journals of international review. Professor Akheel Ahmad, please.
4 hours of listening to the great lectures, philosophy, chemistry, and all. Who wants more chemistry? Let us forget about it. रूप नगर का जिक्र करो, रूप नगर का जिक्र करो, कुछ रंग महल की बात करो. रूप नगर का जिक्र करो, कुछ रंग महल की बात करो. रंगीन फिजा है महफिल की, रंगीन गजल की बात करो. है सुबह बनारस रूप उसका, है सुबह बनारस रूप उसका. अवध गेसवे शाम उसके, वो मेरी गजल है, तुम मेरी गजल की बात करो. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, let me just compliment and congratulate the organizers for organizing second international conference, and the theme is very apt. And they have combined the 3 great challenges. It's not the 3 great words, but the 3 great challenges that combines chemistry, industry, and environment. And it is in this context, why I am just mentioning is, there has been an allegation and the serious allegations that there are the 3 culprits who are responsible for organizing these type of functions, particularly the last one is the environment. One is the chemist, second is the chemistry, and third is the chemicals. And these 3 culprits are responsible for organizing not less than about 20 to 40,000 conferences, and one happens to be this. And incidentally, being a chemist, I must defend this type of an allegation, a serious allegation, and that allegation comes with it, that it is again the same chemist, same chemistry, same chemicals is going to resolve the problems of the world. And we have assembled here as to how to attend and how to tackle these international issues. And it is in this context I have chosen my topic. Anybody who can help me?
Yeah.
The cursor I'm not finding it. These are 2 That is the best thing is to see. I'll just before I just start, let me just have the preamble, and the preamble happens to be one of the greatest demands all over the world is for more energy, more mechanical power to decrease man's labor and increase his productivity. In the quest of providing the human comforts and material comforts to the mankind or the humankind has created a Frankenstein pollution, and the problem of this pollution needs to be resolved in a decade or 2, or else the world would meet a great disaster the history of mankind has ever recorded. And with this preamble, I would like to have chosen my topic for this great conference, the tangible solution to reduce the carbon and water footprints of textile and polymer industries at the nutraceutical industrial spans. Well, it is in this context, I would like to just go further and just can anybody assist me how to just go this with these slides? Okay. I owe a justification as to why I have chosen this topic. And it is in this context you will see United Nations articulated 27 principles, and it is here you will see that the sustainable development. And you know there are two pieces which talks about the sustainable growth, and another is the sustainable development. When I am talking of the growth, most of the people still it is arguable that is they talk of the unidimensional. When you are talking of the development, you are talking of the multidimensional growth, which you call it as a development, and which is a more comprehensive approach. Was seen as a dependent on the economic development, social development, and environmental protection. The simple example I would like to just quote for the students to understand why this word concept. Let us say that I come with a $500 million. I said I want to start adjacent to Aligarh Muslim University a lead acid factory which can just give a employment for 5,000 people and give you a lot of profits. Nobody would agree for a simple reason that is not environmentally feasible nor socially acceptable, though it is economically challenging. So it is in this concept we have, now you have to look into whenever you are talking of the three aspects. Whenever you are talking of sustainability, you are talking of economics, you are talking of the society, you are talking of the environment. When you are talking of these three important sectors, whether there is a connection, there is a connection and there is a dependence and interdependence. When I'm using the word interdependence, I'm also talking of the equilibrium, and I'm talking of the not static equilibrium, I'm talking of the dynamic equilibrium. It is in this context, whenever you are talking of a dynamic equilibrium, then the concept of a system comes in. When you are talking of a system, then I'll have to deal with the sustainability as a system. What is a system? The sustainability can be conceived as a system. The main characteristic of the system is the ability to interact and transact. That's what I'm talking of it. It is always in the dynamic equilibrium. Then I will not go much into the detail, and let me just say what are the systems. Whenever we are talking of the systems, it is absolutely important. Let us just take the example. For example, you have an environmental management, I think so the model which we developed in our research school, it's a system. When you are talking of an atmosphere, biosphere, actually this model, what we have presented, there was no model for to just explain the system.